We have quite the interesting product, L1430 CBF 520. What's cool about it is that it has two breakers. Many people prefer this extra layer of safety, or midpoint barrier between the power source and the plug, so that it doesn't trip the breaker on a generator or a home breaker box. To get down to the bottom of the max total watts, let's take a closer look at this adapter. Each side has a duplex set of outlets. Each duplex set of outlets share one 24 amp breaker. This means the duplex set as a whole is rated for up to 24 amps, not 24 amps per outlet. The same principle applies to the household outlets inside your home. This often gets overlooked. To get the max wattage of this adapter as a whole, we'll get the wattage of one duplex set and simply multiply that by 2 to represent both sides. This results in 6,000 total max watts, with 3,000 max on each side. We hope this helps you understand how breakers can affect the max wattage capability of adapters. We've attached this generator adapter in the description below. Shop AC Works for all your power and adapter needs. Thanks for watching.